I'm from Assam.
Assam.
Yeah.
Great, great, great. What you do, madam? What you do?
I'm a nurse. Right now, I'm working in Fortis Hospital, Noida, Sector 62.
Noida in Delhi.
No, no, Noida, nearby Delhi.
Nearby Delhi. So Noida is a different state.
Yeah.
I
Not
see.
Noida is a UP. Delhi is a different state.
I see. So you are in Noida right now.
Yeah.
Great, great, great. So are you handling COVID patient? Are you handling COVID patient or not?
Yes. Every day,
Yes.
every time. Then from yesterday, we are again open the COVID center. You know,
You,
it's now become COVID
yes.
patients is coming in our hospital. There is the no bed.
Yes, I see.
And previously, 1 month before,
Mm-hmm.
that COVID case are reduced.
Yes.
Then we are closed at that. I'm working in a OT.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
So I was done the many of positive cases. Like
Yes.
whenever come the cesarean patients. Did you know
Mm-hmm.
the cesarean?
Yes, yes. I know.
Uh, yeah. Then appendix.
Appendix. Well, I
Yeah.
have no idea about that. I have no idea
Appendix.
about it. Yes.
Yeah. One of the body part
Yes.
in our organ that body
Yes.
part is the sometimes suddenly inflammation, suddenly infected. You know.
I see. I see.
So if infected there and there is not operated,
Mm-hmm.
so it might be spread the infection so that we can't the wait. For that
Yes.
reason, reasons we are operated.
Yes, I see.
So that time some patients are came that are
Mm-hmm.
positive,
Yes.
and whenever then uh, some not no not every patients are positive. Some patients are
Mm-hmm.
like we are testing the antigen. If antigens are negative,
Mm-hmm.
then we can't the wear the RT-PCR, no.
Yes, yes, I see.
For that reasons we are operated to with the like a suspected reasons.
Yes, yes, I see.
So we are wearing the many of PP kit means
Mm-hmm.
what to say, brother. That is we are facing very big problems. It's like sometimes we are there is the comedy. We don't know what the yeah. See, 2, 3, 4 layers. We don't know how the what doctors has saying, then what he is saying. Everybody are seeing like that. Then we are applying the some adhesive tape. Then I am a sister Ambika. Then
Yes, yes.
so and so doctors and housekeeping and room service are. Then only we are recognize the each other.
Yes, yes. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it. Well, you people are frontliner. You people are frontliner, and you are you are the one who battle with COVID. You are the first people who battle with COVID-19 disease right now. Well, salute you people. You know,
E- Exactly,
and
Arif bhai.
yeah, yeah,
Yes.
madam, tell me. Yes, madam, tell me.
No, really, is the very crucial times, and sometimes I felt like we are going for war, you know.
Yes, yes. I see. Yeah, you are right. You are right. You are absolutely right. Indeed, this is indeed. I understand the situation. I understand. People are afraid, and you people are, treating the COVID patients. Even though we are afraid to meet other unknown person, and you, the people who are facing, treating the COVID patients. So it's really, you know, a risky work that you people are doing.
Yes, Arif sir, see, uh, I'm requested you through you that
Mm-hmm.
that 1 month before I feel the COVID starts reduced, then we are like a little bit means free, you know, to
Mm-hmm.
put a some sister, some doctor has the some reactions here, over the face,
Yeah.
and we feel means there is the some side effects. So continue, we have put the marks. We are
Mm-hmm.
feeling the vomiting tendency.
Yes, yes.
And see, nowadays again COVID's infection spread. That is the main reason. Yesterday I saw and I felt very bad.
Mm-hmm.
I was went in the market that there is in our public there does not put the mask.
Yes, I see.
What they are thinking, what what mentally is happen in our publics.
Mm-hmm.
95% people are they didn't put the mask.
Yes.
And see, and 5% are put marks, but they are putting the below the nose.
Yes. So this is the wrong practice. This is the wrong
Wrong
practice to,
practice.
yeah, to wear the mask below the nose. This is wrong practice.
See, Arif sir, I suggested you and see, whenever you put the marks, you should be put the nicely.
Yes, I see.
Yeah, and and one thing is very I'm facing very trouble that we have two buildings.
Mm-hmm.
One of our previous buildings and we are make the another buildings. The 40s guidelines they are open the different building.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever they come that patients like that patients, we are shifting the all these things, and there
Mm-hmm.
is the you will get the sufficient something, some consumable also something such as usual the that our previously working department.
Mm-hmm.
That
I
is
see.
that is a new one department.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know what is happened.
Mm-hmm. I see.
So
So what is your position in like you are a doctor or you are a nurse in a Fortis hospital?
positions like
Like what's your job, madam, exactly? You are a nurse or you are a doctor or you are a head nurse? What's your position, madam? I want to know.
yeah, I'm a BSc nurse. Right now I
BSc
have
nurse.
a yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Right now I'm working as a head nurse post.
Yes, yes, I see. Great, great,
And
great. Okay. What's your opinion about COVID vaccine? Which vaccine is good? What's your opinion about? Well, in the market, we have so many vaccines like COVID Shield, Covaxin, Pfizer, J&J, Remdesivir, COVID-19 vaccine. There are so many vaccines are available. Which one is good? What's your opinion about?
see there is a Moderna vaccine, Pfizer,
Mm-hmm.
AstraZeneca,
Mm.
and Bharat Biotech,
Yes,
right?
yes. Well,
See,
Bharat Biotech they produce Bharat Biotech Pune belong company they produce Pfizer I think,
yeah.
isn't it?
See, I
Mm.
believe that as my Indian scientists,
Mm-hmm.
they are make the vaccines,
Yes,
and which is the after examinations they are launched in front of
yes,
our doctors or our prime ministers, so that whatever they are provided, I will go through them.
yes, yes.
Then
Okay.
already
Yeah,
I was
but
over the two doses.
sorry, madam, sorry.
I was over.
Over. Like
I have
you
get the
have
two
taken
doses injection.
you have taken 2 doses of corona
Yes,
vaccine.
vaccine.
Great, great, great.
Yeah.
So have you feel any like a side effect? Is there any side effect of the vaccine?
No, 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 no. I didn't get the any side effect. No.
Mm. You know, in the market, there are so many rumors. In the market, there are so many rumors that people are afraid to get vaccine, you know, especially from government. They are really afraid. So what do you think about?
No,
People are right?
see, no. That is all a rumor. See,
Hmm.
as my all hospital staffs are get the vaccines. They didn't get the any side effects.
Hmm. I see.
And right now they are very working with me.
Yes, yes. So which vaccine you took? Which vaccine you took?
I think that is a AstraZeneca. It might be now. Right now I forgot.
Yes, yes, yes. I see. No problem.
Yeah, already I have got the certificate also.
Yes, yes. That's really great. That's really
Yeah.
good. Okay, what is your reason behind English? Why you want to learn English? Tell me the main reason.
See, actually, I'm in I professionally medical professions,
Yes, yes.
so that there is everybody else doctors are talk the English, but I understand everything,
Mm-hmm.
but I could not speak the properly. And in I'm working in Fortis Hospital. Fortis Hospital is the international hospitals.
Yes,
Uh, Patients are came from the Nigeria. I mean, so international hospital. They are Nigeria. They are does not know the Hindi or all these things. They are
yes,
only
yes,
talk the English.
yes,
That time I faced the problem
yes,
to convince them.
yes, yes, yes. I see.
So I thought so that I practicing the English language.
Yes, yes.
Here is the we
Great.
are mostly speak the Hindi as is
Mm-hmm.
my colleague, but doctors and that patients attenders are mostly talk the English.
Yes, I
That
see.
times little bit face the problem, so that I want to learn the English through
Uh-huh.
you. But
Yes, yes. Great.
I'm so appreciate with you. I saw the every time your YouTube, and I enjoy. That one of the girls, that girls, I think foreign country girls, her hair should be so like uh, that white color.
Yes,
She's
yes,
so young girl. I think,
yes.
did you remember?
Yeah, you tell me. I don't know about that. But
I
please,
think
please tell me.
you didn't remember. You have talked to so many people.
Yeah. Then what happened? Describe me the situation. Tell me what happened then.
Yeah, she's telling you.
Uh,
Uh, Means her conversation is really means what to say that pronunciations are different, no foreign country people sirs.
yes, yes. Yeah.
She's very young, very younger than it's might be 21 years, and
Yes.
she's very pretty.
Yes.
And sometimes you are talking Hindi also, she know the some language Hindi, and you are talking.
Yes, yes, yes. I knew that. I knew now. She is Brazilian. She was from Brazil. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes.
And talking with the Cambly also, no.
Yes, yes. Yes, in Cambly also.
But I could not understand the Cambly that their pronunciations is I don't understand.
Yeah, the pronunciation is different. You know, if you will compare with other Indian people, their pronunciation very different. You will understand, but it will take time. You will understand, but it will take time for you to learn English, you know.
Yes, I know everything, but I couldn't speak properly.
Well, people are saying like that, my Didi. I'm sorry to say, sister, but people are saying like that I know everything, but no. Even I don't know anything. Even I can speak English. I don't know anything. I see myself a beginner. I am a beginner in English. I am still learning. because education never ends. English is very
Yes.
deep language. English is very deep language.
Right.
Well,
Right.
people
Right.
people told me, people consider me as I am a fluent speaker. No, but no, I consider myself I am still learning English. I am in the still learning phase in English. Yes, really, I'm not kidding. I'm still learning English because there are so many things to learn in English. There are so many alternative antonyms, in English. There are so many things you can learn in English.
No, no. See, Arif, as in my opinion, so that right now you are telling is the learning is the it's not a ending,
Yes,
but we have to know the knowledge that much, which is that I can face the that foreign country peoples
yes, yes, you are right.
that much knowledge must be
Required,
every people
required.
according to field,
Yes,
like uh, like I'm working in the medical line. So
yes.
that foreign country people are scared. Then sometimes any questions ask me, then I could not the answer them. Then they feel they feel uncomfortable.
Hmm. Yes,
Definitely. Then that time, what were you doing like that?
yeah.
Like what to say?
Fumbling,
You
fumbling,
want to some
thinking, and fumbling. Afraid what to do. No words at that time, that moment. Hesitating.
no that hesitating, that yeah, that is the different things.
Yes,
Patients want to something or something, he want to drinking, he want to some go somewhere, he want to go some washroom. That is that much knowledge.
yes.
I yes.
You want to accumulate that much English knowledge that you can communicate with your patient, with the customer, with the client easily. That much
Yes,
English you want.